Burst pipe, flooding basement. Here's what happens if you wait. February in Georgia means frozen pipes rupturing, water heaters failing, and storms that overwhelm your drainage. And here's the part nobody tells you. Water doesn't just sit on your floor, it wicks up your drywall, it soaks into your subfloor, it pools inside your wall cavities where you can't see it. Within 24 to 48 hours, mold starts growing. That's why cleanup isn't enough. You need professional water damage restoration, industrial extraction, commercial dehumidifiers, and thermal imaging to find every bit of hidden moisture before it destroys your home. PuroClean North Metro Atlanta responds 24/7 with IICRC certified technicians who understand the homes in this area. From older builds in Roswell to finished basements in Cumming, we're local. We serve Canton, Woodstock, Roswell, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Milton, Cumming, Suwanee, and Buford, all across Cherokee, Forsyth, Fulton, and Gwinnett counties. Water damage gets worse by the hour. Call PuroClean North Metro Atlanta right now, 770-720-2320.